areas and volumes of similar solids. If we have similar solids, any relation between the areas and volumes? Yes. Similar solids have the same shape. Of course, pyramid with pyramid, not pyramid with cylinder, right? Similar. And all their corresponding dimensions are proportional. Dimensions means length and width and the height, radius and the height. Okay. Okay. The ratio of corresponding linear dimensions of two similar solids is the scale factor. Scale factor is the ratio between linear dimension of two similar solids. Okay. And any two cubes are similar. Why any two cubes are similar? Because only one dimension, only side, no length and width and the height, no, only one side. For example, if the side is 7, all sides of the cube is 7, 7, 7, 7, right?
Yeah.
And also sphere. Any spheres are similar. Who can tell me why? Because only one dimension, which is the volume or area of sphere, depends on only one dimension, one variable, which is Ali.
They depend on the diameter and the
yes, radius. 4 pi r square or 4 over 3 pi r power 3 radius. Okay.
Okay.
Example is better. Are the two rectangular prisms similar? This letter A are similar or no? If so,
yes.
What is the scale factor? Number one, what is the dimensions? 3 to what? 3 over what? 3 over 6 equals
3
half.
over 6
equals half. And the other dimension, 3 over 6 equals
3
half.
over 6 equals half.
And the last one, 2 over 4 equals half.
2 half.
Half. Then, number one, check the ratios between corresponding dimensions, which length and width and the height. Okay? All the dimensions is the same. 3 over 6 is the same. 2 over 4 is the same. 3 over 6. Half, half, half. Then the prism are similar, right? And the scale factor is the ratio, is half. Got it?
Yes.
Letter B. Yes or no?
No.
No.
Excellent, excellent. No. Because 2 over 3 and 2 over 3 and 3 over 6 is half, not 2/3. Then not similar. Excellent. If we have cylinders, we have two variables, radius and height, right? Two dimensions. The first, the radius together and the height together. If the ratios between them is the same, they are similar. Not the same, not similar. 6 over 5. Yes, 6 over 5 is the same 12 over 10? Yes.
No.
6 over 5 is the same 12 over 10. By using calculator or multiply by 2 up and down is the same. And the scale factor is 6 to 5 or 6 over 5. It's the same. This is called what? Scale factor. Easy?
Easy.
Okay. Which of the two of the following cones are similar? First, second, first, third, second, third. Just check. For example, 30 with 35 is the same 20 with 25. You can use a calculator. Write 30 divided 35 equals, and write the ratios. Ratio between 30 and 35. Then the ratio between 20 and 25. If the same ratio, the same number, they are similar. If the same ratio. Have a calculator now.
Mr. Only the
Which two cones are similar? The
two, the first two.
first two?
The first two.
Yes. What's the ratio between the
first two.
heights?
30 over 35
Is the same
equal 20 over 25.
equals?
1.5.
أي مس هسه بكتب
Okay, use the calculator. Omar, use the calculator for 20 over 25 and Ali 30 over 35 and check the answers.
Okay.
0.85.
That's enough. Okay, 0.857 is the heights, right?
Yes.
Omar,
8
the same, 20 over 20.
0.8.
8 only.
Yeah.
Then they're not equals, right? Not the same ratio. Then 1 and 2, not similar. Try 2 and 3. Calculate the height, Ali, and calculate the radius, Omar. It's the same, they are similar.
1 and
I
3.
want to calculate.
Sorry? 2 and 3, yes.
0.666666666.
Okay. Thank you. Omar is the same? 25. 0.6666, 25 over 30?
Yeah.
Sure?
No, 25 over 30.
Yes. 25
Cone
over
2. Oh,
It's not the same,
20.
right?
over 30. No, 0.83333.
It's not the same. Then cone 2 and 3, not similar. What's the remainder now?
1 and 3.
Yes, check. Ali for height and Omar for radius. 30 over 45, Ali. And 20 over 30, Omar. What?
Mr. 0.666666.
Okay, thank you. Ali?
نفس الحاجة برضو. نفس
Excellent.
الحاجة.
Then, which two of the following cones are similar? Cone what?
1 and 3.
1 and 3.
Excellent. And the ratio 0.6666 is a change from decimal to fraction. It will be 2/3. Okay, 2 over 3, right?
Okay.
Then the scale factor
Right.
is 2 over 3. Scale factor 2 over 3. Easy?
Easy.
Yes, easy.
Yes. Now, ask about are similar or no. But if so, give the scale factor of the first to the second. First one to the second. Left to right. Number 1 are similar. 9 over 12 and 18 over what, Omar?
27.
Excellent. If they equals, they are similar. Okay, check.
7.
They are not equal.
Not equal, then not similar.
They are not equal.
Yes, what about you, Omar? Not equal, 9 over 12. Not the same 12,
9
18
over
over
12 equal 0.75.
Okay, 18 over
And
27.
Not equal.
18 over 27. No, they're not equal.
Yes, because 9 over 12 not equals 18 over 27. They're not similar. Thank you.
Yeah.
What about number 6? The ratio between the heights and the radius. Radius or diameter is the same.
They are similar.
Yes, Omar, similar.
30, 20. Yeah. And the scale,
Scale
factor
factor
is 1.5.
1.5.
Yes, 1.5 to fraction is 3 to 2. Okay. Press shift and
Okay.
SD
Okay.
to get the fraction. Now, and
مستر حضرتك سمعني.
أنا سامعك يا محمد.
تمام.
Similar or not similar? Number 1, put in order. Smallest to greatest. Okay, 4, then 6, then 8. What is the order? Smallest one is what?
6.
6.
Then 9, then 12. Then compare the smallest one with the smallest one. 4 over 6. Then 6 over
6.
9. And the largest one,
Yes.
greatest one, 8 with 12. Got it now?
Okay,
Yes,
I got it.
Is 4 over 6 is the same, 6 over 9 is the same, 8 over 12 is right, are similar, they are similar.
They are similar.
Okay, maybe Omar and Muhammad Sharif. Muhammad Sharif got it?
Till now, 2, 8, and 12.
8 and 12, 6 and 9,
Similar.
4 and 6, similar. Yes. This is from least to greatest, 4, 6, and 8. Then the other one, 6, 9. And check the ratio. All of these ratios is 2/3. Then the scale factor is 2 to 3. And
2
also,
to 3.
it's called similarity ratio or scale factor. Okay?
Okay.
Number 8. Heights 12 and 16, and the radius 4 and 6. They are similar or no?
No.
No, they are not
think no.
similar.
Yes, thank you. That's right. Now, if we have scale factor already, scale factor like 2/3 to 3, 4 to 7, remember? Scale factor.
Yes, yes.
And I went to the scale factor, the ratio between the areas is the same scale factor by squaring. A square, B square. If I have, for example, the ratio between, we can move back. For example, this one, 2 to 3, right?
Yeah.
Then the ratio between the areas of the two prism is 2 square to 3 square. Then the ratio between the area of the prism is 4 to 9. Easy? Squaring. And the ratio between their volumes is the power 3. 2 power 3 to 3 power 3 means 2 by 2 by 2 means 8. 3 by 3 by 3 is 27. Then the ratios between the volumes is 8 to 27. If I got the ratio A to B, I can get the areas and the volume. Areas with squaring, volume with what? Power 3. Easy?
Yeah.
But if I have the volume itself, لو أنا عندي الفوليوم بقى يا شباب, if I have the volume V1 250 and V2 432, but I need what? Find the scale factor. Who can tell me? I have A power 3 to B power 3, but I need A to B only. Divide by 3 or square root or what? I have A power 3, but I need A.
Divide.
No.
Square root?
No. What's the meaning of A power 3? Means A times A times A. 3 times, not square root. Square root by A only. Yes. For example,
so
if A power 3 is 8, which number by itself? By itself is 8. 2 times 2 times 2. Then it's called not square root. It's called cubic root.
Oh.
Yes?
Yeah, I forgot.
Yes. A power 3 over B power 3 because the volume. To take A over B, just take cubic root for the numbers. Easy? Ali, got it, Ali?
Okay, okay.
If I have area, I will take square root. Volume, cubic root. Okay, Muhammad Sharif?
Okay.
Okay, solve this one using calculator. quickly because we have only 5 minutes, I think, or less than 5 minutes. I have the volume, I need the scale factor.
Mr. No.
We can write cubic root only one term, like this, cubic root in the calculator. Sorry. Was,
Mr.
yes,
It's not similar. It's I say the numbers.
yes,
The first one is 6 and the second one is 7. No, I made the cubic root
yes. Cubic root
and
of 200.
16 and 334.
Yes,
The
it will be
first
6
one is
over
6
what?
and the second one 6 over 7.
Yes. Check your answers. Yes, excellent. Got it, Ali?
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad Sharif?
Yes.
Now, this one, not volume. It's what?
Surface area.
Then we take a cubic root or a square root or divide 2?
Square root.
Excellent, right, square roots. Because a square over b square for area, to get a over b, take square root only. Easy?
Easy.
Yes.
Thank you. Who can solve this one?
This is
We can write in one step like this one. Cubic root up 20 and down 125.
cubic.
Square root, sorry, square root.
2 over 5 equals 0.4.
Just 1 minute. 2 over 5. Excellent, excellent.
Yes.
Thank you. Easy?
Yeah.
Easy.
Easy, Mr.
Okay.